markers, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process, really easy way how you can easily change your desktop background in Windows 11. So let's start. There are two ways how we can do it. The first way is when you would right click and go to personalize, and you would find choose your picture. You click browse and you can find a picture here. So let's say that I have like this picture. You can go to whatever website and find like 4K. Now I'll just press Ctrl J here, show in folder, and here I have it. So I would put it on my desktop. And let's just wait until it's going to be there. Oh, it's in my second screen. Oh, like, okay, I really like it is here. So what you can do is to go through browse and find it right here. Voila, it's changed. Or what you can do is actually, when you would find the picture, right click on it and set as a desktop background. And this is pretty much it how we do it. So this is how you can change desktop background Windows in Windows 11. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.